Hamster Kombat has just made a few huge updates which I'm going to share in this video. Of course, you guys know it's now the season 2 with the HamsterVerse, the Hamster Dev, the Fight Club, and the Hamster King. I'm going to share a few tips and tricks you guys can use to rank up and get more rewards in this ecosystem. Anyways, guys, as you guys already know, I'm Inoko Kedere, and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Now, of course, as you guys already know, we're talking about the Hamster Kombat Season 2, which has brought out the birth of the Hamster verse. Lots of updates. The Interlude Season is finally ended. Rewards have streamed down all the way from the Interlude Season into the Hamster verse. You can now claim some rewards in your Hamster Dev Ops, and you can also claim some rewards very soon, potentially also in your Hamster Fight Club. The Hamster King is still under closed beta. But of course, let's get right into it. As you guys can see now, I'm now on the Hamster Kombat announcement page. It says clearly here the Interlude Season is over. Long live HamsterVerse. Now, of course, as you guys know, we farmed so many diamonds in the Interlude Season, both PPH and also both coins. Because some people packed the diamonds, they did not upgrade the cards. Some people just did the PPH. But apparently, everything has now been translated into the Hamster GameDev euros, and I'm just going to show you guys right away. I already claimed mine, so you will not be seeing anything because I already used it to upgrade lots and lots of levels. So of course, this is what the Hamster Kombat GameDev looks like. But before going here, I want to go straight back to the HamsterVerse so you guys see how it looks. This is the HamsterVerse now. This is the only thing we have. This is the season 2. Of course, you can see the games. Hamster GameDev Heroes is the top one. Hamster Fight Club is the next one. Hamster Boost is still in closed beta. Hamster King is also still in closed beta. And then Hamster Interlude is done already. So of course, as you guys can see over here, Hamster GameDev Heroes, it says bonus in the top corner here, and the top corner you can see a diamond. Now that diamond is what we farmed in the Interlude Season. Now don't think that the advantage will be for only the GameDev Heroes. It will also translate to the other parts of the games like Fight Club and Hamster King when it opens. So it will not just be for the GameDev Heroes. But speaking now for the GameDev Heroes, because this is the only place those rewards from Interlude has been redeemed. For the PPH, if you mine lots of PPH, you get extra pads. This is game pads. On my own, I have 11 here. I've already collected mine. I've already used almost all of it. And then if you were stacking the diamonds up, not using it to upgrade cards to improve your PPH, then you would have gotten loads of coins from it. And that's this one over here where I have 90 million. Now, of course, so that is basically it about the Interlude Season. Now, the Interlude Season is done. We got some rewards to boost our GameDev Heroes and the other projects in the HamsterVerse. Now, this is currently my my page, and of course, as you guys can see, I've done a lot of things, and that is some few tips and tricks I want to share with you guys today. Now, some of you are just playing it normally, upgrading the cards, doing the basic things, and maybe giving your super project manager to pick some things and just hiring staffs, just playing it freely. Yes, that is very lovely, but there's also a few things you need to watch out for so that you can earn maximally. Now, I've made a huge mistake in my own, but I made a huge mistake very early because I do not want to keep playing and not develop my game properly and not help my my game to rank up higher or to earn more rewards at the end of the day. And now it comes to what I want to share with you guys. It's just a very short thing, and I'm going to go straight to office. Now, here you have your staff. Apparently, I already upgraded my staffs, almost all of them, to level 100, but I found something was very wrong. Now, the key to making you get loads of rewards, which is the fun reward. Fun reward is what not so many people are talking about. I'm going to show you guys once again. For example, if I come all the way to this project and I click it, you see it says the profit. What I'm doing now is a medieval RPG. And the medieval times. Lovely. I love medieval themes. It's just the best. Merlin, author, all of those magic and things, dragons. It's just beautiful. But anyways, profit, as you guys can see, is 21.43. Reputation is 4.35. Fund bonus is in a question mark. And now I'm also going to come to statistics. Now you guys can see my total statistics over here. And I'm actually now trying to tune my game to my own level so that I can get lots of rewards. So apparently some of you will come here to top 3 settings and you will find out that you're making a mistake, because you will see 30% the fun bonuses, no? 30%, or the effect your staff is putting towards the project, for example. Now, as you guys can see everything here, I'm just going to come, as you can see, the last few things I've been doing, medieval. But the problem is loads of my staff, I personally changed most of my staff to the cyberpunk kind of thing. Now, the problem is, to get the cyberpunk level, you have to get to level 23 before you can unlock cyberpunk as a theme of the games. I'm going to show you that right away. So let's come to change project. Let's go. We are now, we have all the way RPG, right? We have RPG. Now, if you guys can see cyberpunk, you need reputation level 23. But apparently I had already changed all my staff to cyberpunk before I found this out. So now I have to grind without fun to get all the way to this level. Now, how does this help you? So for example, you need to come to your office over here and check your staff out. You need to check your team. Now, if you look up here in the left top corner, you can see here it says I have a cyberpunk. When making games in this set, says it brings 10% more fun. And here you can see also works 10% faster. So that is a lot. Cyberpunk. I have just one medieval, cyberpunk, and I changed this by myself. You see, this one works 30% faster when making cyberpunk. Now, I changed it to cyberpunk because I wanted my workers to all be doing one thing, which will make them very fast. It will make you get much more rewards, much more fun bonus, and you will rank up very, very fast. Trust me, really, really fast. So that's why I changed everything to cyberpunk. But currently, I do not have I'm not able to even make any cyberpunk projects because I've not got it to the level 23 yet. So now I have to make sure I keep playing before getting I think playing without fun bonus to get all the way to level 23. So for you guys, all you need to do is come to your staff like this and check what they do more. Okay, just come here and check what they do more. Are they into the real life? For example, let me show you guys once again. Let's go back to project. Now let's just choose anyone. Now, are they into real life? Do you have more staff that what they like is a real life project, or do you have more staff that what they like is fantasy? Before you buy too many staffs, make sure you buy only staffs that have the same project idea. For example, if you're an anime person, make sure you're just getting just anime staff, okay? Developers are anime interested, programmers are anime interested. That's what I mean. So make sure that all of them are anime centric, because it will increase the speed in which they make your project, and it will also increase the fun bonus you get in the project, helping you earn much more money, helping you earn much more rewards at the end of the day, and you can upgrade your cards and rank up very, very hard. Now, I'm making the video for you because I already made a mistake of going to choose cyberpunk. Thankfully, I was already in level 21. Otherwise, I would have to sell all the stuff again and choose something that I can currently create. Okay, so this is just one very secret thing that might not be out there yet. It's already in many groups. Of course, it's in many groups currently, but you just have to check this and make sure you do that as well. So when you come here, you're trying to hire a new staff, make sure they are all inclined to the same thing. whatever it is, make sure all of them have the same thing in the top corner here so that they can build faster and of course increase your rewards simultaneously. So that is basically the first thing I want to share. Of course, that is basically the first thing I want to share. Now, of course, the next thing is finally the BITQuest. Now, the BITQuest is just, in the interlude season, in the season 1, we could play other games. And I love how they have separated it this time. I think the next thing that will come from Hamster Kombat will be very huge because now they have fine-tuned their game, they've developed everything, and now it makes really good sense. So the game now is divided into two forms, in my opinion. There's people that are willing to pay to come to shop over here to get the boosts, to get the gold, buy gold, get the boost and do all of this. And there's people that want to grind it. Now, if you want to grind it, the BITQuest is for you. For example, when you come all the way to BITQuest, it was the way we used to play the third party games on the Hamster Kombat ecosystem. When you play it, you get a key. When you get a key, you bring the key into the HamsterVerse and you redeem the key. And after redeeming the key, then you get those rewards that people are paying money for. For example, you guys can see you get these are the games, draw to smash and loads of things here. You get 4 keys. When you get the keys, you get a code. When you get the code, you come back into the HamsterVerse. 1 second, it's loading. And then you go all the way to CEO room and then you enter your code. After entering your code, you activate. And when you activate, you get game pads that you can use to upgrade levels. So I really love this because it gives everyone a chance at maxing out in the game. If you have money to use your money. If you want to grind the game, which is very, very lovely. So that is basically the only 2 things I want to share for now about the game dev ops. And if we go all the way into the HamsterVerse, I'm not going to go to the Fight Club now. The Fight Club own is also basically the same. So this is the Fight Club, and you also have it here. You have the BITQuest here. So at the same time, you can use the codes, you put it in here. When you redeem the code, you get extra chests to open and some more. What did we call it that time? Green pizza. I don't know what this is. Someone should give me the name. But anyways, you get this green thing that you can use to upgrade your gear. Now, in the last video I made about Hamster Fight Club, I'm sorry that I have to make this video together. I do not want to need to make 2 videos for this whole HamsterVerse thing. That's why I'm just trying to make the 2 of them together. Now, people asked me in the last time, what do you mean by the inventory? So for example, let's just grind a couple of games. Let's battle a couple of games. This one is at level 963, but it has lots of energy. So let's just see if we're going to win this fight or lose it. It looks like we're going to lose because, that was critical. Nice. And, delicious. Delicious. That was not an expected win. So now we get the gear, Pharaoh helmets. Now we go all the way to inventory. We go to burn items. We can burn this shoe and the Pharaoh thing. So when we burn it, we get more of this. Let's call it the green pizza. On this channel, we'll call it the green pizza. It looks like a radioactive thing. Going to the meme, and the reason why Hamster Fight Club was literally brought about, they were injected with steroids, but this looks like a radioactive thing. So let's just call it the radioactive pizza. Anyways, so we've gotten some radioactive pizza, and now it's time to use the radioactive pizza to upgrade your gear. So we just burned some items. We got more radioactive pizza. I've burned lots of items. That's why I have 1,574. But of course, if you play the games and you on the BITQuest and you get some codes, you get more radioactive pizza. Okay, so now we go all the way to inventory. Let's choose, for example, something we can upgrade. I've been wanting to upgrade this secondary weapon. Now you can see I can now confirm actually I wanted to save the radioactive pizza for something, greater, like this one, 2,800, or this one, so that it will give me more advantage. But just for the sake, we're going to upgrade this dagger. Now you guys can see we can confirm the upgrade, and we've upgraded the artifact. Let's upgrade it once more. Confirm upgrade. So now our dagger is now in level 4, and we used the radioactive pizza to upgrade it. Let's see, we can still upgrade our legionary boots, and then we've upgraded it. So sometimes this is all you have to do. You pick one gear and you keep upgrading it. Make sure you play lots of games. You play, and you keep getting much more rewards. The game is still in the beta stage, so everything you're doing now, it will help a whole lot when the full game releases. Okay, so for example, now we've just upgraded a few things, so we are pretty much stronger. Let's go into another battle. It's totally random, nah? It depends on who you're paired up against. This guy's skin is looking very delicious. Look at the helmet, look at the chest. Oh, double critical. And I win. We win this fight once again. Our dagger is working. But anyways, you win the game, you get 10 XP, and you get common chest as well. So we got another dagger. Now, the XP helps you increase. If you guys look at the top left corner, we have 420 to 450. Your XP helps you increase that. When you fill the banner, the bar, and you go to the next level, like level 9, you get one chance to improve your skill tree. Actually, me, I'm doing something very wicked. I'm not upgrading my skill tree, regularly. I'm going all out attack first. I got all the way to level 6 attack. Then now I'm going to do the other ones bits by bits. Okay, so now we do not have anything. We need to first get 450 out of 450 before we can get a chance at unlocking another skill tree. So guys, basically the other things, make sure you play up to 30 games. I'm going to play 30 games tonight to make sure I claim this one daily. And weekly also, I still have a lot to go to claim the weekly ones. So guys, I think that is basically everything I want to share. Currently, the interlude rewards will still maybe come to the Hamster Fight Club, and we'll be able to redeem it also here as well. So that is basically everything I want to share about the HamsterVerse in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you smash that like, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day, and peace.